While the rest of the world is watching TikTok dances, two of the biggest elephants in the room, Trump and Xi, are sitting down in Beijing right now for a massive summit. And whether you like it or not, this one is going to hit your pension, your mining shares, your rand, and your portfolio straight in the face. Today, I'm breaking it down from a 100% South African investor point of view. No nonsense, no globalist spin, just what it actually means for us right here at home. Hi, my name is Yolanda. I'm a wealth advisor, and it is my goal on this platform to give you easy, actionable tips, content, and strategies that you can use to manage money well, to live abundantly, and to build generational wealth. If you are new to the platform, please consider subscribing for all things finance from a South African perspective. So what's on the table in Beijing other than chicken chow mein? Trade, tariffs, critical minerals, rare earths, Taiwan, AI, even the mess in Iran. But for us in South Africa, three things really matter. Firstly, it's critical minerals and mining. Now, China controls 60 to 90% of the world's rare earth processing. America is desperate to break this dominance. And guess who is sitting on serious deposits of platinum, chrome, manganese, vanadium, and even emerging rare earth potential? Us, South Africa. This summit is putting massive pressure on Americans to secure supply outside of China. That's why we see sudden US delegations in Johannesburg talking mining partnerships. This could mean new US funding, offtake agreements, and joint ventures into the resource sector. So think the Resi Index. But here's South Africa's reality. We must push for local beneficiation. No more exporting raw dirt and importing finished products. Companies that position themselves for actual refining and process in South Africa are the ones that can take off. So keep a close eye on the sector. Then it's the rand and market volatility. Every time these two superpowers sneeze, South Africa catches the cold. A positive outcome from the summit, or even a just we'll keep talking kind of deal, could give the rand some breathing room and support our local bond market. Also oil prices as well, if the rand stays strong. But if they start slapping new tariffs on each other again, commodity prices will jump like a springbok on a Red Bull. And so will the USD ZAR. Keep your eyes on oil too, because Iran is part of these talks. And then it's the geopolitical chess game. China is still our biggest trading partner. They've given us zero tariff access on many goods. America, on the other hand, they're getting a lot stricter with AGOA and reciprocity. So we are right in this middle of the superpower rivalry. And in my opinion, that's not a bad place to be if we can play it smart. We should be using this tension to get the best technology transfers and infrastructure deals from both sides. If we continuously keep on choosing sides in the wrong way, so it's not just the side we pick, it's the way in which we pick it. And when the politicians go in front of the cameras and spew their nonsense, that impacts relationships as well. We'll get punished. It's as simple as that. So here's the bottom line for South African investors. The US-China summit is shining a massive spotlight on our critical minerals advantage. The smart money right now is looking at well-managed mining companies. Companies that can supply both the East and the West, especially those focused on local processing. So watch for announcements from the summit. If they reach any decent agreement on rare earth and trade, expect a relief rally in resources and the rand. If things turn ugly, brace for volatility. Remember, you got to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, whether it's China, America, or local. Drop your questions in the comments. Which mining shares are you watching? Are you bullish or bearish on the rand after the summit? And if you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. We talk real South African investing from a South African perspective. No fluff. Stay sharp, stay invested, and I'll see you in the next one.